What's going on, everybody? So you're probably wondering what's going on. Well, once upon a time, if you're a homeowner and you go outside and you see water sitting around your property or your foundation or even your backyard like this, that's because you got low spots. And the only solution is you need to have some kind of water drainage. In Texas, we do what we call French drains. So you want to dig about 2 feet, 2.5 feet down and put in some kind of perforated pipe, flex tube, something, then backfill it. This keeps water from sitting around your home and water from sitting around your foundation and property. So that's the reason why people do this. That's why you see this big old trench that my guys dug out. And keep in mind, you can't take shortcuts on this stuff. You're gonna have to get a trencher and you got to dig through this rock. So yeah, that's what my guys did. And then yeah, check out the rest of this video. Okay, you can see the after and the whole process. It was a lot, but my guys did a good job. You're probably also wondering where you can get the materials at. Well, your local Ace Hardware, Tractor Supply, Lowe's, Home Depot. They should have anything you need from flex tube to PCP pipe, and your tools, rake, shovel, backhoe, all that kind of stuff. So keep that in mind, guys. I don't know if you guys seen my stories and my before posts, but my guys finished this before 12 o'clock today, like 12 o'clock noon. We work super fast, so you name it, we do it, and my guys will travel anywhere in Texas. Just reach out. Hey guys, thank y'all for watching that video. The last video, it wouldn't be available without all you guys that watch my content, subscribe, and check out my shorts and my long-term videos. So thank you. Also, do you want some free stuff or just 20% off? Go to TikTok. If you ain't got the app, you gotta download it first, but go to TikTok, search Texas Morgans. Look for the first icon, hopefully it pops up. But yeah, go to TikTok, search Texas Morgans. Check out my shop from landscaping equipment, smart glasses under $60, authentic Western cowboy boots for under $50, greenhouses, kinds of stuff. You name it, I got it. But yeah, go to TikTok, search Texas Morgans. Everything has free shipping. Everything, check out reviews and track shipping from the warehouse to your front door. But again, thank you guys for checking out my videos. Appreciate y'all. Oh, hey everybody. The needs of a plant. It's very simple. They need water. They need sunlight, oxygen, and good soil. That's it. Love and time.
Brand new drop. Feastables cookies and creamer bar. Look at that. White chocolate, cookie bits, crazy. That crunch is different. Jump on TikTok, search Texas Morgans, hit that shop tab, and grab yours right now. Don't wait.